Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. So last class we discussed
Quality controls. Quality
quantity.
control.
Did we discuss in system?
Sir, very good morning, sir. Last class was not very much clear, sir, because of voice was not clear from your end.
Okay, so last class we discussed.
Sir, could you please repeat SDF process, sir? So same issue. Your voice is not clear, sir.
Okay. So subsequent delivery free of charge. So when we do subsequent delivery free of charge, if customer return the goods, so first step is return order. Then we receive the goods from customer, return delivery. After that, third step, reason for rejection. We go to change mode of return order. Go to change mode of return order and mention reason for rejection. Go to change mode of written order and mention reason for rejection. This is third step. Then fourth step, create subsequent delivery free of charge with the reference to written order. Then create delivery. So this is a process. Do it in, let us do the system, do the processing system. So this is what we discussed last class, subsequent delivery free of charge. First step is return order, then return delivery, then third step, go to change mode of written order and mention reason for rejection. Then we create subsequent delivery free of charge with reference to written order. Then final step is delivery. So here, reason for rejection controls two things. Take this. Reason for rejection controls two things. Reason for rejection controls two things. First one, if you already create written invoice, first one, if you already create written invoice, then system will not allow to do, subsequent delivery free of charge. If you already create written invoice, then system will not allow to do subsequent delivery free of charge. If you already create written invoice, then system will not allow to do subsequent delivery free of charge. Second point, if you create subsequent delivery free of charge, then system will not allow to create return invoice. Then system will not allow to create a return invoice. Okay. We'll do this in system.
Sir, could you please repeat, sir? Last sentence.
If you already create subsequent delivery free of charge, then system will not allow to create return invoice. If you already create subsequent delivery free of charge, then system will not allow to create return invoice.
These two are the reason for rejection.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Try the server, the issue with servers. Online server. Anyone tried your server? Babu Technologies.
Yes, sir. Since morning, server is down.
Working, sir.
So our server is broken, sir.
Since morning it is low.
It's working, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Can I ask one question?
Yes, yes.
Sir, there was while doing collective invoice PCI, I was getting a error of goods moment, wrong goods moment, basically incorrect goods moment. There was three invoice where two was successful and one it was saying that incorrect goods moment. How to resolve that, sir?
So I need to check because I cannot say like that. I need to check that.
Sure.
Excuse me, sir. It's related to this SDF process. Can I ask one question, sir?
Yes.
Sir, actually, if the goods are totally damaged, which cannot able to return the order, in such case, can we directly go to the delivery, sir, return delivery?
So whenever you are taking the goods back, you have to do return process, return order, return delivery, return.
But in case of example, sir, if suppose if the vaccines are there, still damaged, which can able to return it, it's already spoiled, everything get damaged.
Then you have to do credit memo process.
Okay. So the HDF is only for that. If you take return the order, then only you can create all this process.
No, SDF. See, if the goods are totally damaged, then
Sir.
if you want to do SDF, then do the same process, credit memo request, and go to change mode of credit memo request, mention reason for rejection, then do SDF. If you want, you can do like that. But so SDF process is made for when customer return the goods back. But if you want, if client is asking this for totally damaged goods also, then we can configure according to that also as per the client's requirement. But SDF is made for this. When customer return the goods, then only exchange will happen. If customer return the goods, then only exchange will happen. Okay. Anyone?
Sir, today full raining and no power, maybe because of that no servers.
Sorry. Sorry.
Edit is working, sir. Edit is working.
Anyone having this instance number so that I can
82
show
is
you?
working fine, sir. 82 is working, sir.
Tell me your org structure 82.
8237, sir.
82 user 37. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Send me the password. No. So I'll do SDF process and send me your org structure.
Forest. Yes, sir.
So SDF first step is written order. First we create written order with reference to invoice. What is your customer number?
Customer number 152, sir. $152 or F52, anyone, sir.
So let us create written order with reference to invoice. Assume that 40 quantity is returned. Mention reason for. Save it. Save it. Then create a return delivery.
SM33, sir.
Mention your shipping point.
SM32, sir. Otherwise. SM32, sir.
Do picking and PGA. PGR. Posting only possible. You will get this error. To solve this error, tell me what is the T code?
OX18, sir.
MSY.
OMS page. First, we have to delete the plant and assignments.
Okay, that is one option, but every month you will get this error. So every month we cannot do that.
Yes, yes.
You can go to MMPV.
Unmuted.
MPV.
Yes. MMDB also.
Make a note, take this. If you get error, posting only possible in periods. If you get error, posting only possible in periods. Twenty 22-01 and 2021-12. So every month you will get this error every month starting. Okay. So to solve this error, go to the T code MMPV. To solve this error, go to the T code MMPV. Mention your company code.
M123, sir.
M123 and mention the date. Mention the date and execute. Mention the date and execute. Mention today's date and execute. Okay.
Sir, please, can you repeat once again, sir?
MMPV. I cannot do that, but T code MMPV, mention the company code, mention the date and exhibit. Okay. Now I am doing this.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir, regarding this.
Yes.
Sir, earlier I have did this same posting period. The company code can no longer be initialized, just like that it is coming, sir.
Company code is no longer initialized means check OMSY
Yes,
and
sir, I have.
OBY6 also. OBY6 mention chart of accounts, fiscal year variant.
Yes, sir, that is V3 and given periods 2022 and 1, and I have also gone with 1 also. Period 1 as well as 2 also.
Sorry?
Here I have mentioned 2022 as well as period 1 for V3, fiscal year variant.
But that is only warning message. You can proceed
But
further.
when I have proceeded, that whatever it usually backward, that is 12 it is taking, period.
Okay. Check once. Check with madam.
Okay.
After
Okay.
this class.
Okay.
Return delivery. Second step, return delivery in SDF. First step, return order. Second step, return delivery. Third step, go to change mode of written order and mention reason for rejection. I'll show you. Go to VA02 return order. Go to VA02 and go to reason for rejection. Reason for rejection. And mention some reason. You can give any reason. Mention some reason. Mention some reason. Save it. Okay, so this is the first process. Then after that, we create SDF with the reference to written order. Create SDF with the reference to written order. So I'll copy this written order. VA01, fourth step. Document type SDF. Enter. The reference is mandatory here. Mention the written order. Copy. Mention save it SDF. Just direct save it. Then create delivery. Go to picking, enter picking, pick quantity and PGA. That's it. So this is a process SDF. SDF nothing but replacement process. Okay. Next, quantity contract. Next process, quantity contract. So what is quantity contract? It is an agreement between company and the customer for supplying the goods of a particular quantity and within a specific validity period. So here first step, quantity contract. After that, release order.
Could you please repeat the description?
It is an agreement between company and the customer for supplying the goods of a particular quantity. It is an agreement between company and the customer for supplying the goods of a particular quantity and within a specific validity period. And within a specific validity period. And within a specific validity period. Okay. So quantity contract is the agreement. First step, then release order. So any order we create with reference to quantity contract, we call release order. Release order. Suppose when our customer wants some quantity, suppose 150 quantity out of 1,000. So he place order. We call release order. Then for that we do delivery and invoice. For this 150 quantity, we do delivery and invoice. Take this process. So this is third step. X material 150 quantity, then invoice. Take this.
Train line. Slow. Hello? No. Train line, bus stop.
Over. Okay. Do it in system. Quantity contract process. What is the T code to create contract? Tell me.
VA 41, sir.
VA 41.
VA 41. Enter. QC. The contract type QC. Mention sales organization, distribution channel, division. Mention the sales organization, distribution channel, division. Enter. Mention the customer 150.
150,
What
sir.
is it?
152, sir.
152. Mention the PO number. Valid from, valid to. First April, 31st March, something. Mention valid from, valid to. Mention valid from, valid to. 1 year. Mention the material. What is your material?
LEXI. First one, sir.
Mention the material quantity, 1000 quantity. Save it. You're not getting value. So maintain price, condition record is missing. Week 11, maintain price. Okay. I'm creating once again VA41. Valid from, valid to, 1000 quantity. Save it. Then create release order. Whenever customer wants some quantity, he will place order. We call it as release order. Okay. So release order, what is the T code? Tell me.
VA01.
VA01, order type OR.
VA01. Order type OR. Create with the reference. You have to click on this, create with the reference. But select contract. You have to select this contract, mention the contract number. If you don't remember, you can press F4. Okay. Click on copy. So change the quantity. Customer placed order for 150 quantity. Change the quantity and mention the PO number and save it. Mention the PO number and save it. Then delivery and invoice. What is your storage location?
SM13, sir. SM12 to, okay.
Mention the storage location, pick quantity, and do post goods issue. Okay. Next,
Invoice.
create invoice, VF01, enter, and save it. Like so, this is the process quantity contract.
Unmuted.
Take the sorry. See, when you create one more order with the reference to that contract, suppose I am creating one more order. So where first of all you will get the balance quantity here. Suppose 850 out of 850 customer placed order for 200. Change the quantity, PO number, save it, then create delivery and invoice.
SM13, sir.
Create invoice. Okay. So now whenever you go to change mode of contract, document flow, you can see everything. So how many release orders under that, like that. We created 2 release orders in that contract. Document flow you can use. Okay. Next, take this value contract general. Take this process, value contract general. Make a note. It is an agreement between company and the customer. It is an agreement between company and the customer. It is an agreement between company and the customer. It is an agreement between company and the customer for supplying the goods. For supplying the goods of a particular value for supplying the goods of a particular value for supplying the goods of a particular value and within a specific validity period. 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 Next slide. Value contract general is not specific to one material. Value contract general is not specific to one material. Value contract general is not specific to one material. It is for group of materials. It is for group of materials. Value contract general is not specific to one material. It is for group of materials. Value contract general is not specific to one material. It is for group of materials. It is for group of materials. Okay. So here we create assortment module to group the materials. Here we have to create assortment module. Make it to group the materials for value contract general. To group the materials for value contract general, we have to create assortment module. To group the materials for value contract general, to group the materials for value contract general, we have to create assortment module. To group the materials for value contract general, we have to create assortment module. To group the materials for value contract general, we have to create assortment module. Assortment module. Now here we group all the materials. We list out all the materials. X material, you can also give the quantity, Y material, Z material, etc. So you can group the materials here in assortment module. T code is WSV2. T code WSV2. WSV2. Enter. This is how we create our path. path, easy access, logistics, sales and distribution, easy access, logistics, sales and distribution, easy access, logistics, sales and distribution, master data products, under master data products, value contract assortment module, create. T code WSV2. Okay. Double click on this. Yes. Enter. Give some description.
Sir, kindly go to the path once again, sir, please.
Value contract, general assortment module. Mention the material, how many materials you have. So I'll mention the materials here, list. LEXI. And save it. Mention the materials and save it. So this is the number 1501438 something. 60, sorry. 1601438. Is the number, assortment module number. And this is the path SPRO. Sorry, easy access, not SP. Easy access, logistics, sales and distribution, master data, products, value contract, assortment module, create. This is the path. Okay. Now we created assortment module. Then we create value contract, general. What is the T code? Tell me. VA41. What is the document type? WK1. So here you have to give the assortment module and value. Here value is suppose 2 crores. Value 2 crores. Assortment module. The 1601438 something. Next, release order. release order is for particular material. LEXI something. What is your material?
LEXI 2040 BOT.
Something. Okay. Here you have to mention the quantity. 200 quantity. T code VA01. Document type normal OR. Then delivery and invoice. Invoice. Okay, take like this. Value contract, release order, then delivery and invoice. Take the process. Over.
Yes, sir.
So do it in system process. We already created assortment module. T code WSV2. Then this is the path. Just mention the materials, group of materials, and save it. So the number is 1601438 in our case. You will get different number. So create assortment module first, then VA41. I am creating value contract general. VA41 contract type WK1. Mention the customer PO number, valid from, valid to. Valid from, valid to. Mention the value, 2 crores.
One more zero, sir.
Mention the assortment module. Mention the assortment module. Press enter. Make a note. While creating value contract general, you will get error. While creating value contract general, you will get error. No pricing procedure could be determined. You will get error. No pricing procedure could be determined. While creating value contract general, you will get error. No pricing procedure could be determined. Make a note. To solve this error, go to the T code, OVKK. To solve this error, go to the T code OVKK. Go to new entries. Mention your sales area. What is your sales area?
S011, sir.
S011,
S6,
S6, 4S.
no, division 4S.
Go to new entries. S011,
S6,
S6,
4S.
4S. Document pricing procedure Y. Customer pricing procedure 1. Document pricing procedure Y. Customer pricing procedure 1. And mention your pricing procedure. What is your pricing procedure?
PR00.
No, pricing procedure.
C401, sir.
C401. Condition type PR0. Okay. Save it. Next again, VA41. Contract type WK1. Mention the ship to party. Sorry, sold to party. PO number. Valid from, valid to. Mention the value. Assortment module. Press enter. Then system will ask for material here. You can give any one material because each line item should have material. But here it is not for single material. Value contract general is for group of materials. We already mentioned assortment module. But here you have to give some dummy material, any material, you can give anything. Mention your material here. You can give any material, but it is only dummy purpose. Actually is this assortment module. Okay. Mention some material and save it. Mention some material and save it. You will get this document number. Value contract general 440262. Okay. Next, release order VA01 OR create with reference. Create with reference. Contract. Mention the contract number. Continue. So this is the contract WK1. Now here mention the contract number, write this and click on copy twice, 2 times you click on copy. Click on copy 2 times. Then you will get this line. Select the line, you have to select this. Select the line, click on expand assortment. Select the line, click on expand assortment. Select the line, click on expand assortment. Click on expand assortment. select the line, click on expand assortment. Now you will get here, mention the quantity. Now which material you want, mention the quantity for that material. First material I want 200 quantity. Mention the quantity, go back, and finally click on copy. Finally click on copy. Click on copy like that. So I'll show you once again. Release order VA01, release order T code VA01, order type OR, create with reference, order type OR, create with the reference. Click on contract, select this contract, mention the contract number here. Mention the contract number. Click on copy 2 times. Click on copy 2 times. Then select this line. Select the line and click on expand assortment. Select the line and click on expand assortment. Now mention the quantity 200. Which material customer placed order from the group. Now mention the quantity for that. Mention the quantity. Enter. Go back. Then click on copy. Click on copy. Only that material will be copied. Then enter PO number. Enter some PO number. Save it. Save it. Sorry, before save. Double click on line item. Go to conditions before save. Double click on line item, go to conditions. Double click on line item, go to conditions. Click on update. Click on update. Click on update button in conditions tab. Click on update. Then double click on this. Carry out new price. Carry out new price. Double click on carry out new price. Carry out new price. Save it. Save it. Then create delivery and invoice.
SM13, sir.
Create delivery and invoice. Like Now, if you go and check value contract general, you can see how much value is released like that. You can go and check value contract. See here, out of 2 crores, 6 lakhs is released like that. You can see here how much value is released. Go to value contract general, change mode, and here you can see change mode or display mode. If you see quantity contracts,
$62, sir.
quantity contract is so here also you can see order quantity till now how much ordered. You can see here if you go right side, total is 1000 quantity, contract target quantity 1000, but how much ordered, release order quantity, here you can see order quantity 350 like. Okay, so this is about value contract general. Tomorrow we'll continue the remaining process. Tomorrow we complete the process, total process. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll.
Thank you, sir.